So, started my Monday off with a visit from the granddaughter for just a few hours. Had lots of fun, spent most of the morning outside playing, watering plants, and just going for a walk. And so then she went home for her nap, and I went to the grocery store, and I will share my grocery haul with you. And this is a meatless haul because I didn't need anything. This is just pretty much what I'm going to be, using and making for meals for the next week or so. And I have some Honeycrisp apples, a couple of things of cherry tomatoes because I snack on those all the time. This is new. This is called a leaner creamer, coconut oil creamer. And for 2 teaspoons, I think it is, it's like 0 points for me. So I thought I could use this along with my no-fat creamer. Sometimes I just need a little extra. So I thought I'll try that. And then also this Olivio, it says made with California olive oil. Olivio. I'm going to try that for the first time. And then this is a favorite coffee of ours. It's called Blueberry Cobbler. And my 0% total Fage yogurt. Cannot live without that. They had a special on fruit. So I got some blueberries, raspberries, and some grapes. Here I have some bananas and a package of Idaho Instant Real Mashed Potatoes, fat-free cheddar cheese, fat-free mozzarella. This isn't so good to buy at the grocery store, but I really did not want to go to Walmart or the drugstore, so I just picked it up. Needed some Band-Aids, and this really helps on my back. Bought a couple of melons because, my gosh, have you seen the price of watermelons? My gosh, they had them at the store for $11.99. I'm like, I'm not doing it. No way. Bought some sugar-free Jell-O, and I got cherry, black cherry, and a raspberry. Taco seasoning mix. This was by McCormick. It's parsley grinder. I thought, sometimes I just like to have parsley and I don't always have it fresh. So I just thought, hey, that's kind of nice. It's a grinder. These were on special. I've never tried them. It's by Gourmet Mexican. This is enchilada with roasted tomato and garlic and green chili enchilada sauce with roasted tomato and garlic. And for a quarter of a cup, the points were very low, maybe 1. I have to double check it. Got a couple of stacks of strawberries here. The strawberries looked really, really good. Some brown eggs and pineapple and pineapple juice. No sugar added mandarin oranges. Some, you see it, quinoa, tricolor, and then a couple of cans of fire roasted diced tomatoes. And that is pretty much my grocery haul. It's not a lot. Like I said, it's a meatless haul, but this actually will last quite a while and will give me quite a bit of meals because I have chicken in the freezer that I'm going to make some enchiladas with. This is for some pork chops to do for a side. This I always have, and I'll put one in the fridge depending on how low I am, or they may all just go in the freezer, but I buy them when they're on special. And so that was it. Just thought I'd share my grocery haul with you. And yeah, and then now I can tell you, like with the strawberries, I make a dessert that is 0 points. It's really good. It's the whole thing of the Fage 0% milk fat yogurt, 1 package of Jell-O of my choice, and then a drain can of pineapple and a drain can of, and a drain can of mandarin oranges. Oh, I have to double check. Are they drained? Yes, it is. And then mix it all together, and it just makes like this a really awesome fluff that tastes so good, so refreshing, and I can have a nice big scoop and bowl of it, and it counts for 0 points because everything in it is 0 points. So I like those kind of recipes. And then got some beef and chicken gravy to use in my slow cooker for just a couple of different meals. One in particular is just a chicken and gravy, and then I'll probably serve that over some mashed potatoes and eggs. Of course, I use all the time, and my goodness, cannot do without coffee. If you haven't tried this New England coffee, this is blueberry cobbler. Oh, it's so good. So that's it for my haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. And I think I'm just going to add it to my weekly Weight Watcher come on my journey with me